Dear sister, whether you white, African, mixed, or any other race, today I'm reciting as a pleader. My heart is broken, my feelings have ran away from me like a cheetah. Seeing how nowadays you do stupid things just to please Peter. How you lose your beautiful self-reputation just so you can afford those expensive sneakers. We need more speakers. We are losing women and having more hookers. The word sexy is way too different from the word beautiful. If he compliments you using it, he's making you fool. Well, he's not. Sorry, I'm lying. If you believe it and start thinking he loves you, you are the fool. Nowadays, you don't go to parties unless there's a pool. Wanna be all half naked so you can show your booty and boobs. Why? Don't you think if he really loves you, he would still approach you if you were fully dressed? I don't know if this is about love or you just want money and to look cool. Your beauty is not the tool. Girl, you are so young, you can still hustle your way up and focus at school. Easy come, easy go. You get them paid for sex, that's just low. You feel important, they only smile when you're around and giving them a show. Once you're gone, they talk about you, call you a hoe. Respect. Stop becoming a bad girl just because you didn't get what you expect. Stop being friends with people who see their lives as mistakes. They are there to take away your reputation, which is what they no longer have. Flashy things, fancy clothes. Don't you think it would be great if you bought it with your legally hard-earned money though? What have we become? A nigga can't love you if you don't got money. He can't even stay calm. You want someone who has a big house, expensive car, but you don't got your own. I'm angry because I can't finish this poem. If you hate me after listening to this, then you got a problem. Or either way, I don't know, you might be the problem. Self-love is important. Focus on yourself, I promise you, you'll make it. You can make it on your own if you really want to. I usually blame the parents though. Dear sister, if you are a parent, teach your kids self-love and respect. Dear sister, if you've been doing wrong, it's not late to repent. Dear sister, use your past experience to build, not to break lives. Dear sister, I beg you to speak out and ask for help if you can't stop